Flash! The world's financial heartbeat pulses in real time, every second bringing new headlines and fresh uncertainty. The stock market is alive, unpredictable, and relentless. The ticker tape screams across the screen, numbers flickering and changing faster than the eye can follow. Each digit tells a story of hope, of fear, of fortunes made and lost in the blink of an eye. Red arrows plunge, painting the screens with panic. In just a single morning, billions are wiped off global markets. Investors watch helplessly as their portfolios shrink, their dreams of wealth evaporating with every downward tick. Financial news explodes with panic and speculation. Headlines blare across every channel. Experts debate the causes and consequences. And the world holds its breath, waiting for the next twist in the tale. Sell, 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 echoes across the trading floor. The air is thick with tension as brokers scramble to react, their faces etched with stress and uncertainty. Every decision feels like a gamble. It's chaos, fortunes lost in seconds. For some, years of careful planning unravel in a moment. The market's volatility spares no one, and the emotional toll is written on every face. Meanwhile in Manchester, Sarah the landlord sips her coffee, unbothered by the turmoil. Her morning is calm, her routine unchanged. She's not glued to the news or watching her investments tumble. Her rent arrives, steady as ever. Month after month the payments come in, providing a sense of security and predictability that the stock market simply can't match. No drama, just predictable cash flow and a property quietly rising in value. While others ride the roller coaster of stocks, Sarah enjoys the slow, steady growth of her investment. Her home is her fortress. Two worlds, one question. Where do you put your money for a prosperous future? The fast-paced, high-risk world of stocks, or the stable, tangible comfort of property? Do you chase the wild swings of the stock market, hoping for quick gains but risking sudden losses? Or do you build wealth slowly, brick by brick, with the reliability of real estate? This choice shapes your financial destiny. It's not just about numbers, it's about peace of mind, long-term security, and the life you want to build for yourself and your family. In a world of uncertainty, making the right call is crucial. The markets will always fluctuate, but your strategy can provide stability amid the storm. By the end of this journey, you'll have the tools and confidence to choose your path. You'll understand the risks, the rewards, and the realities of both worlds. Let's get ready to rumble. The battle for your financial future begins now. Are you ready to step into the ring and make your move? Let's get something straight. Your home isn't just an investment, it's the heart of your life, the place where memories are made, where you unwind after a long day, and where your story unfolds. It's your sanctuary, not a stock ticker. But when we talk about investing in property, we mean UK buy to let, purchasing a house or flat with the intention of renting it out to tenants, aiming to generate a steady stream of rental income and, hopefully, long-term capital growth. As a landlord, you're not just collecting rent, you're managing tenants, handling repairs, dealing with regulations, and making sure your property stays in good shape. It's a hands-on role that requires time, effort, and a willingness to solve problems as they arise. On the flip side, there's the stock market, a world of numbers, news, and opportunity, where fortunes can change in a single trading day. When you buy a share, you own a tiny piece of a global company. You're investing in businesses that power the world, from tech giants to energy firms, and your money works for you behind the scenes. Stocks are generally passive, diversified, and hands-off. You can spread your risk across hundreds of companies, and you don't have to worry about fixing boilers or chasing late rent. Property gives you control and something you can touch, a real asset you can improve or sell. Stocks offer diversification, liquidity, and the potential for long-term growth, but you're trusting companies and markets to perform. With property, you're the boss. You make the decisions, set the rent, and choose your tenants. The success of your investment is largely in your hands. With stocks, you're one of millions of investors riding the waves of the global economy. You have less control, but you also have less day-to-day hassle. So the real question is, what kind of investor do you want to be? Do you prefer rolling up your sleeves and getting involved, or would you rather let your money work quietly in the background? Do you want to be hands-on with real, tangible assets you can see and touch, or hands-off with a global portfolio that grows while you sleep? Both property and stocks can build wealth over time, but the journeys are very different. Each path has its own risks, rewards, and lifestyle implications. Understanding these differences is step one on your investment journey. Booyah! Now, which path will you choose? The stock market is the undisputed heavyweight of wealth creation, standing tall as the arena where fortunes are made and dreams are realized. It's not just a place for the elite or financial wizards. Anyone can step onto this stage and participate in the growth of the world's biggest companies. Every day, billions are traded, and opportunities are born for those willing to take the leap. Historically, stocks have delivered impressive annual returns of 8 to 10%. This isn't just a number, it's the magic of compounding at work, where your money earns money, and those earnings generate even more over time. With patience and discipline, even modest investments can snowball into significant wealth. When you invest in stocks, you're betting on human ingenuity, innovation, and the relentless drive for progress. You're backing the world's brightest minds as they build, invent, and solve global challenges, fueling economic growth across continents. Liquidity is a huge plus. Unlike many other investments, you can sell your shares and access your cash in just a few days. This flexibility means you're never locked in, and you can respond quickly to life's changes or new opportunities. The stock market offers unmatched flexibility and access. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, you can manage your investments with just a few taps on your phone or computer. It's investing on your terms, whenever and wherever you choose. Diversification is easy. Index funds and ETFs let you own tiny pieces of hundreds, even thousands of companies worldwide. This spreads your risk and gives you a stake in the global economy, all with a single investment. If one sector or company struggles, others can cushion the blow. This built-in safety net helps smooth out the bumps and keeps your portfolio on track for long-term growth. Achieving this level of diversification with property would take millions of pounds and years of effort. With stocks, you can get started instantly, with far less capital. Costs are low, and in the UK, a stocks and shares ISA means your gains and dividends are completely tax-free. That's more money working for you, compounding year after year. You don't need a fortune to begin. Start with just a few £100. There are no barriers to entry, and you can build your portfolio at your own pace. Low cost, high potential, and tax-free growth. These are the hallmarks of stock market investing. It's a powerful combination that can help you reach your financial goals faster. The stock market offers flexibility, growth, and simplicity. It's your ticket to the big leagues of wealth creation. What's not to love? Let's keep going and unlock even more opportunities together. But stocks have a dark side: volatility, markets crash, 2008, dot-com bust, COVID-19. Losses can be brutal. It takes nerves of steel not to panic sell. The biggest risk? You. Emotions drive bad decisions, buying high, selling low. The market rewards patience, not panic. Stocks are intangible, just numbers on a screen. That can make it hard to stay invested when things get rough. With property, you still have a house. With stocks, just red numbers. Picking individual stocks is tough. Most fail to beat the market. Endless research, luck, and skill required. Most should stick to low-cost index funds. The smart money is on patience and diversification. Don't try to outsmart the market. Now, let's talk property. The appeal. Tangibility. You can see and touch it. It's a real asset, psychologically comforting and universally understood. Buy-to-let offers steady, predictable rental income. Rents often rise with inflation, protecting your cash flow. The secret weapon: leverage. Use a mortgage to amplify returns. A small deposit controls a big asset. Property value rises, your return multiplies. You can't do that with stocks without big risks. Property forces a long-term mindset: buy, hold, and ride out the bumps. It's hard to trade in and out, so you focus on the long game. Pay down the mortgage, benefit from appreciation. Property instills discipline and patience. That's how empires are built. But being a landlord isn't easy. It's a part-time job, sometimes full-time. Costs pile up: mortgage, insurance, repairs, agent fees. Tenants call when things break: boilers, roofs, you name it. Finding good tenants takes time and effort. You're the manager, customer service, and handyman. Letting agents help but eat into profits. Risks, voids, no rent, Bad tenants, costly evictions. One bad tenant can wipe out profits. Property is illiquid and concentrated. Can't sell a bedroom if you need cash. Your investment depends on one location. If the area declines, so does your wealth. Property isn't passive or risk-free. Who wins? Historically, UK stocks edge out property in pure growth, but that ignores rental income and leverage. With rent and mortgages, property returns can rival or beat stocks in good years. A small rise in value can mean big returns on your deposit. The key: risk-adjusted returns. Stocks are volatile, property is steadier thanks to rental income. Property often offers smoother, more predictable returns. But the future is uncertain. Rates are up, markets are shaky. Both asset classes build wealth, but in different ways, and with different risks. Know the trade-offs. Why choose? The smartest investors diversify. Combining property and stocks is powerful. Stocks offer growth, liquidity, and global reach. Property gives steady income, inflation protection, and leverage. When stocks dip, rent keeps coming. When property stagnates, stocks can soar. Use a stocks and shares ISA for growth, buy to let for stability, reinvest rental income, build equity, and grow your portfolio. This approach smooths out the bumps. You're not betting on one horse. Diversification is the grown-up way to invest. It's the smart move. So, which wins in 2025? There's no single champion. The best investment fits your goals, risk tolerance, and effort level. Stocks: simple, liquid, hands-off, great for patient, passive investors. Property: hands-on, tangible, leveraged, ideal for those who want control. The real answer? Often, it's both. Build a balanced portfolio for the best of both worlds. Know yourself, choose your path, and make your money work for you. Booyah!